Hey friends, this is a modern e-commerce website that we created using Shopkeeper WordPress theme in an earlier video. This is of course a demo website and it has all the features that you need for an e-commerce professional website. Yes, so you can watch the specific video for Shopkeeper theme overview. In this video, I'm going to share a very important thing for all those WordPress website creators or who are willing to create a website using WordPress with Elementor Page Builder. How we can enable the Pro Elementor features without having Pro Elementor license. As you know, so Elementor comes with certain feature. This is about us page of the same website and I'm here at Elementor editor. So I can see there are features that is available for free, like widgets are here and we can add things like heading, text editor and all. There are some pro features that we never have on a free version of Elementor, but you can see these all pro features are also unlocked here, and this is what I'm going to show you how you can enable all these pro features of Elementor to for your page edit and for all those features that you really want for making a professional website using Elementor Page Builder, and these all are enabled without any restriction. So this is the main thing. As you know, the pro license of Elementor cost a good amount, and Elementor is a highly being used page builder nowadays for creating WordPress website, and it is very popular and easy to use. This is why it is being used on the most of the new Elementor based, the on the new themes. So this is amazing, right? And now it comes how I enabled all these pro features using while I am not using the Elementor Pro. So now I'm taking you to the backend, and as you can see, the Elementor Pro is not installed, and I'll show you the plugins screen first of all to show you what exactly I am using, and it is sure for sure I'm not using Elementor Pro. So like you can read this notice, get Elementor Pro. It clearly means I'm not using Elementor Pro. Then what I am using? So this is the main question, how I got enabled all these pro features without having the pro licenses. And this is not a trick. I'm using a genuine and official thing, not like a trick, not a trick. So it is, you can use this uh, add-on plugin, of course, not like add-on plugin, but yes, this is a plugin that enables the pro feature of Elementor. This is Pro Elements. So this is what I am using. So let us read this. This plugin enables GPL features of Elementor Pro, that is widgets, theme builder, dynamic colors, content, forms, pop-up builder, and more. Note that Pro Elements is not a substitute of Elementor Pro. So it should be very clear in your mind. It is not a substitute, but yes, if you need Elementor Pro features, including access on Pro templates, library, and dedicated support, we encourage. That is fine. But why I am telling all this to you? Because let us go to the official site proelements.org that I have already opened. So this is the thing that is available for using pro features of Elementor for free. Okay, so Pro Elements, free WordPress plugin that enables pro features in the Elementor page builder with automatic updates. So this is another notable thing, that we are going to get automatic updates as well for this plugin. And if we talk about so how this plugin is coming, who built this plugin, why this is available officially. So Pro Elements is a derivative work from Elementor Pro WordPress plugin by Elementor Limited itself. So it is not like developed by other developers. It is coming from Elementor house itself. Like the original, it is licensed under the GNU general public license version 3. But unlike the original, it is 100% free and does not require the activation to use it. And you are free to use, modify, or redistribute it as well. Okay, good. Like GNU GPLs. And in other words, you are free to use the essential pre freedoms uh, granted under the terms of GPL version 3 license. So what is included? So all features is included, but what is not included? Only you cannot access the templates and template kits and supports that comes with Elementor Pro. So we just need these pro features at our website with the Elementor, and we can simply use with Elementor Pro elements. It is very clear, and I shown you all the official notices that you can read through this link. So this is the link. So it is coming for free, and it is going to be updated for free automatically, and it enables all the pro features of Elementor, as you can see here. So I am sure this is amazing, and it is really going to save our money, and we are going to use this on our website project. So what are you waiting for? Just get this plugin. And where you can get the plugin, this is the link that I am going to add in the video description itself. This is the downloading. You can simply download the plugin and install at your WordPress website, which is using Elementor. So it works with Elementor. Of course, it is enabling the features, pro features at Elementor. So it goes without saying it will work only with Elementor Page Builder. So I'm sure you like this and you are going to use this. And in the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your WordPress website. And really, you can create very professional website with WordPress and iCreate program. Don't miss to subscribe the channel and hit the bell button. See you at next video.